You can easily manage your event schedule in Eventify to allow attendees to keep track of the agendas of the event and plan participation. Access the Eventify admin panel and navigate to Content and then Schedule. You can see a calendar-like interface with event date and details. To add a new schedule, click on Add Tracks. Add a new track and click on Save and you can create a new track. Now add session, click on New Session button. There will be a pop-up window appearing as Add Track Session. You may add a banner image, but this is not mandatory. You may or may not fill this space. Select the session date. Select Choose Track and add a track for the session. Fill the session title section. Enter session location, but this is not mandatory. You may or may not fill this space. For session location, you need to give the location of your event venue if offline and virtual if online. You can also provide your hall number, booth number or room number in this space. Then, select start time and end time for the session. Select check-in type. Set to no check-in or scan QR checking to determine tracking of attendees. Choose a color for your session from the predefined palette of session color. Select session tags from the list below of event tags. However, this step is not mandatory and can be skipped. Select Choose Speaker and select any name from the given list. You can add 2 or more speakers, just click on Link More Speaker and you can add multiple speakers for a session. Go to the Link Exhibitor section where you can add the name of the exhibitors from the drop-down list. Fill the description area with a session description about the session. You can customize your event with these additional settings. There are 4 types of sessions. General Public. This session is only visible to every attendee on the platform and everybody can attend it. General Private. This session is an exclusive type and will be visible only to attendees only who are manually added by the host. With Ticket Public. This session is visible to all attendees on the platform but can be attended only by those who hold a valid ticket. With Ticket Private. This session is visible and attendable exclusively for the attendees who have a valid ticket. You can manually add attendees for direct access to private sessions. This is equivalent to the same when attendees buy a ticket for themselves. The 2 sessions mentioned with Ticket demands ticket association where attendees can avail all the sessions. You can set up RSVP. Just tick on RSVP, and the attendee will have to confirm their availability from the website or app before visiting the event session. You can also click on Capacity Settings. Set to unlimited or put a limited session capacity to preset your seat numbers for the session. If you limit capacity settings, and many attendees have RSVP already, then the following attendees will get an error message while RSVPing and they will see the message stating that slot is full. You can check the RSVP'd list from the Analytics section or manage it from the section Edit Track Session, then Capacity and then View Manage Users. You can add a meeting link for your session if you want it to stream virtually and accessible online too. Logged-in users will be allowed to participate in session videos online via Zoom or YouTube. If you enable Restrict Start Time, then the video will be accessible even after the start time of the session. A timer will be displayed on the website end as well as the app before the start time. But if you disable the option, the video can be accessed anytime by the attendees. If you want to add more videos for your session, you can add them easily with the links. Just go to Other Video Links and add your links under the section. Each link will contain the Restrict Start Time option. You can add any files related to your session under the section File Upload. Maximum 5 files can be uploaded. You can simply drag and drop files or upload it directly from your device. You can set a reminder push notification for the session with a custom message in the Enter Push Message section. You can also choose from the section Send Push before session start and preset the time for reminders for the attendees before the session start time. You can edit or delete each and every session. Access also can also be edited for a session. Live QA feature can also be enabled and disabled as per your choice. Polls are also dynamic for a session. You can easily enable or disable the option as per your requirement. You can add as many as up to 10 polls for a session. You can enable a session discussion option for your session where attendees can join for discussions regarding a session. Rating feature is dynamic as per session. You can allow people to rate your session or disable the option. In the end, click on Save Changes to save the session. You can now see the session displayed on the calendar on the specified date and time you selected with a Zoom link option. You will be able to add any number of sessions in a date or track. To add more sessions, you have to proceed in the same way. Thanks for watching. Now let's check into the mobile application how this schedule is reflecting. Tap on any session to view the details. Each session displays its date, time, and location for your convenience. If you want to attend a session, simply add it to your agenda list with just a tap. After attending a session, don't forget to rate it. Your feedback helps us improve. Feel free to leave comments about the session. Share your thoughts and engage with others. If available, check out any polls related to the session. Your opinion matters. Lastly, participate in live QA sessions to interact directly with speakers and fellow attendees.